Hey guys, welcome to Junior's Art, and today we're gonna draw a beautiful and a colorful butterfly. So firstly you have to make two circles like this, two tiny circles, and where is the butterfly's eyes actually, and here's his body and the antenna. Okay, now we can start drawing our major part, the wings of our butterfly. Try to make both sides as similar as possible. And you can do any designs, any pattern you want to make. But make sure that the both sides are so closer. Now I'm doing this design, a big circle and a tiny circle. My lower wing is done. Now I'm doing some simple design for the upper wings. Wow! Our drawing is almost completed, and now just making some tail. Now it's color time! This is pink. This is light green. This is yellow. This is blue. This is purple. This is green. This is red. We have filled almost all the color, but I am drawing some tiny circles. I mean multiple sized circles here, and that will make the butterfly more cute. And I'm using some purple here and some orange. And some green. Oh my gosh!